So if you've been thinking about getting an air fryer, this one might actually replace your oven. This is the COSORI 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, and I've been using it every day for about the last 6 months. It's a 6-core air fryer with 9 different functions, so you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even reheat or keep food warm. And it heats up from 90 degrees to 450, which gives you a lot more flexibility than most other air fryers. What stood out to me the most is how evenly it cooks. Whether it's veggies, chicken, or frozen stuff, everything comes out crispy without drying out. And the ceramic coating finish is clutch, super easy to clean, and doesn't feel cheap. If you want something simple, fast, and versatile for everyday cooking, especially in a small space, this fits perfectly. I absolutely love this air fryer and would highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.